हांव एंथनी डिसिलो फ्रॉम आसोल्ला आंबेली. आयज हांवें थोडे काँग्रेस वर्करांक एक प्रोटेस्ट चयले. ते इलेक्शन कमिशनरा ऑफिसांत गेल्ले, जायत जाण आहले. ऑफकोर्स दोयर नासलोलो, तेगे ते दोयर म्हूण आहा न्हू काँग्रेसालो, तो दोयर नासलोलो, पूण एक तोडे अशे आसलोले. बट एट इज आसलोले, गेले आनी थिंगा वचोन तेमी प्रोटेस्ट केले. इट्स अ गुड सायन. सो एटलीस्ट समथींग दे स्टार्टेड. बट हे स्टार्ट कोन्न आमकां लायटी स्विच ऑफ कोन्ना काय थोड्या दिसांनी. तुमगे चड खबर कितें जाताय मरे पॉलिटिकल लिडर्सू. इश्यू गरम आसतना थोडे दीस कोताय तुमी आनी मागीर ओवना स्विच बंद कोताय, तेश करून बंद कोताय आनी मागीर आनी मुद्दो, मागीर तिसरो मुद्दो, फकत मुद्दे, रिजल्टंट झिरो मागीर. आनी एसेंब्ली जाली काबार आनी ती जाता आनी कोणू ना तुमकां. सो आय होप दीस ऑल्सो इश्यू डज नॉट डाय डावन. कित्याक तुमगे जायत इश्यू घेयलो चोयले आमी. जॉब स्कॅन्डल, लँड स्कॅन्डल, सेक्स स्कॅन्डल, रेप केसीस वयताय उब रावताय थोडे दीस आनी मागीर नाइन जाताय. ते मुद्दे तोडी लागनाय. आतां एक काँग्रेसान स्टार्ट केला. आय एम ओन्ली वंडरींग आम आदमी पार्टी हे केदो कोतले तुमकां लागना? तुमगे कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन बा चोवपा नाका तुमकां? तुमगे ग्राउंड वर्क स्टार्ट करे. गोवा फॉरवर्ड केदोन रावला. इफ गोवा फॉरवर्ड वॉन्ट्स he can also do it, although he may be one MLA. Like that, Aam Aadmi Party got only 2 MLAs. RG got also 1 MLA. Congress got only 3 MLAs. No issue. But I am a crude format and sangila that you people also can clean up that system if 6 MLAs प्लस 1 opposition leader एक MLA तर 5 कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी दिल जाय तू सापडा करपाकू आनी लिडर ऑफ द ऑपोजिशनान 10 कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी घेल जाय तू. हे आख्खे गोंयांत 40 कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी साफ जातली. ऑल्दो मोर 1 step ahead I will go. Why should not the BJP MLAs not do this? In fact, every MLA should do it in their constituencies. If there is nothing hidden inside their hearts and minds, तुमगे जर तो काळेपण ना, then it is you people also you should do it. Let us consider the ruling people do not do. Opposition people can do it, no? 6 MLAs, 5, 6 are 30 constituencies. 1 leader opposition, 10 constituencies. You people have got the resources, you got the money, you got the information at the fingertips. And moreover, the leader of the opposition, he has got access to every document in the government of Goa. So that has to be done. It's not enough to do just Pradashan now. A Pradashan is all because who's petola all India level. Now to send a signal to Rahul Gandhi ji that we are also with you mun dakopak, हे आता प्रदर्शन मातशें जाल काय? हे एक्चुअली खोटो आता. हाउ लॉंग यू आर गोइंग टू टेक दिस अप? आर यू पीपल गोइंग टू डू द ग्राउंड वर्क? गेट दिस वोटर्स लिस्ट आउट and get it documented and put a complaint and get it investigated or not? आता प्रॉब्लेम जालें तें कितें गा? हांवें एक सकाळी एक रिसर्च करता तेदोणे एक थोडो व्हिडिओ आयकिलो. OP रावत म्हूण former chief election commissioner. तो म्हणटा त्या प्रमाणे electoral roll there can be errors, no doubt. But the errors cannot be at such a huge level the way Rahul Gandhi ji has shown. Lakhs of errors in one constituency. That means there is something suspicious. Because Election Commission of India has total hold on the manpower, technology, financial resources, power at their hands, the police, Everybody is under them at that time. So they cannot do such errors. Such errors cannot happen because they got digitally advanced system. And when errors are not minuscule, they are in large numbers, then the suspicion is there. And yes, suspicion kadpak, it was the duty of the returning officer down, chief election commissioner down, Rahul Gandhi ji ke complaint they should have taken seriously and accepted the challenge to do investigation and inquiry. By not doing so, they on top try to ask him to file an affidavit on oath. Under what law? We don't know. And if that law they have mentioned, 23, rule number 23B, to law Rahul Gandhi ji lagna. Please make a note, every political party people, especially the Congress, that law is not applicable for Rahul Gandhi. Because Rahul Gandhi, to law lagto zaid, it should be with respect to addition, deletion magota, correction magota, tedon to law lagota. And toy jala law lagota in a voluntary manner, where the law clearly states that registration officer may in his discretion require that the evidence tendered by the person shall be given on oath on an affidavit. That is the law, rule 23B. But this is during the revision process. Now what Rahul Gandhi has complained is not a revision process. It is at a random he has given these statistics and data. So Tautak law as per O.P. Rawat, former Chief Election Commissioner, Tautaka lagu zaina. This has to be kept in mind, especially the Congress people. And that is how you could fight the election office in Goa also. So I hope it is not the baby of only the Congress to fight. And fighting is not just doing pradarsans. Fighting is going on field. You people have the manpower. Put your people, every ward, one person or two people to get this thing checked. We are there to help you all. And clean this system. All the opposition MLAs. This is the time the leader of opposition must show his leadership. Get all your opposition MLAs together now. That is the opposition leader I am talking about. Then Barabur, yeah. Work out how you can get it distributed to every MLA. See, all people must do. Even that RG, I have accepted that they have initiated the process. Of course, so now you all are one step ahead of other three parties here. So now you also will expect you people to run and teach these other three parties also how to run with you all. Because after that, even the RG went into slumber. Gelted 1.5 to 2 years, that hype was not there about the cancellation of names on the electoral rolls. Where? Where is the Aam Aadmi Party now? Is it not your baby? You people also must get up. Of course it is late, but still, I said it's better late than never. Where is Go Forward Party? Where is the tiger? This tiger also must come together along with the lion, the leader of the opposition, and the vociferous orators of Aam Aadmi Party, and the ferocious RG, MLA Viresh Borkar. You all must come on the table, start doing the think tank system, distribute the constituencies and get this going, every constituency clean, This is the best opportunity that Goa could have to change the face of Goa. Dev Bara Karo. Thank you very much.